everyone, and welcome back to So Blessed by Jess. And today we are on day 2 of Vlogmas. We are creating the Hall's Victory quilt block. A little bit more difficulty in skill level, but it can be done. So as long as you're just paying attention to your triangles and where they go and follow the instructions that the website give you, you will do amazing. So let's go ahead and start putting it together.
So in today's block, we have 5 3.5 inch. We have 4 2 by 2 inch. We have 4 2 and 5/8 inch squares. We also have 2 by 3.5 inch rectangles, and then these 2 triangles. This one is a 4 3/4 inch triangle cut on the diagonal. No, this is the 4 3/4 inch triangle cut on the diagonal, and this is 4 3/8 inch square that was cut on the diagonal. So I know this kind of looks a little sloppy, but it kind of gives me a direction of where I'm going. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this 9 patch in the center. Okay. And then after that, I am going to create these units. So I'll add the smaller triangles first by lining them up like this, sewing down, pressing out, doing this, going on the other side, sewing down, pressing out. And then I will add the larger triangles on. Okay, after that, I'll do these 4 units, and then again, I will have a large 9 patch. So, and put them together. All right, let's go ahead and sew. All right, so here is where we are. Now, after creating these units, I had to cut them down to 6.5 by 3.5 inch. Now, when I was doing that, I made sure to keep a 1/4 inch in between this point and the edge on both of these sides. I don't want to cut off that point. Okay, so now we're going to assemble it like a large 9 patch.
All right, and it is done. Look how beautiful that is. And I press it out. Depending on the fabric choices that you have, you may see the shadowing. See how that white's just a little bit darker right there? It's because it's shadowing underneath. But it's beautiful. I'm really liking it. To me, it looks like a big blueberry pie. Interesting, but it works and I love it. So that's the second block. 2 down, either 22 or 28 more to go. I really need to make a decision. Make a decision, make a decision. But I am blessed today by having an amazing creator that has blessed me with the skills that I have, and just the love that I have for people and teaching and all of that stuff. So without God, I wouldn't really be anywhere. That's how I truly feel. So again, have a blessed day. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching Vlogmas Day 2. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for Day 3. Bye.